For today's ritual, we are looking at the Four of Swords. The Four of Swords is all of the words that start with the letters R and E. Relax, retreat, recover, rest. And when we want to do a ritual around resting and retreating, what we're looking at is something that is set apart from our daily forms of resting and retreating. So it could be a nap, it could be going on a spa day. For me, it is taking a bath and setting up a bath with a candle and, a silly face mask and really getting into it with the bubbles and all of that. So that's what I'm doing in today's ritual. I'm lighting some incense, I'm lighting some extra candles, and I'm just really soaking into that resting and relaxation. Let me know what you do for your retreat and rest and restoration. Thanks.